Type 055 Destroyer, History, Present and Future. Introduction. The Type 055 destroyer, also known as the Renhai-class cruiser according to NATO classification, represents a significant advancement in the naval capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. Launched in 2017 and officially commissioned in January 2020, the Type 055 has emerged as one of the most formidable surface combatants in the world. This report will delve into the history of the Type 055, its present capabilities, and its future implications for naval warfare. Historical development. Early concepts and development. The idea of a large destroyer class within the plan can be traced back to the late 1960s. However, it wasn't until 1976 that a formal development program for the Type 055 began. This initial effort faced numerous technical obstacles, particularly in producing advanced gas turbine engines, leading to the program's cancellation in 1983. The revival of interest in the Type 055 concept occurred in the 2010s. Spurred by China's growing maritime ambitions and technological advancements. In 2014, a full-scale model of the Type 055 was unveiled at the Chinese Naval Electronic Testing Center in Wuhan, marking a renewed commitment to developing this class of warships. Construction timeline. 2014, construction of the first vessel Nanchang commenced at Jiangnan Shipyard in Shanghai. June 28, 2017, Nanchang was launched, making headlines as the largest surface combatant launched in East Asia post-World War II. January 12, 2020, Nanchang was officially commissioned into service with the plan. By the end of 2022, 8 vessels of the Type 055 class had been commissioned, with plans for a total of 16 as part of China's wider naval expansion strategy. Design and technical features. General characteristics. The Type 055 destroyer displaces approximately 12,000 to 13,000 tons and measures 180 meters in length with a beam of 20 meters. It features a conventional flared hull designed with stealth capabilities to minimize radar and infrared signatures. Propulsion and speed. Powered by 4 QC-280 gas turbines, the Type 055 can achieve speeds of up to 30 knots and has a range of approximately 5,000 nautical miles. This propulsion system enhances its operational flexibility, enabling it to undertake blue water missions. Advanced radar and sensor systems. A key feature of the Type 055 is its advanced radar system, specifically the Type 346B Dragon Eye radar, which boasts enhanced detection capabilities including anti-stealth capabilities. The dual-band radar system improves situational awareness and target tracking, essential for modern naval warfare. Armament. The Type 055 is equipped with an impressive array of weaponry. 112 vertical launch system VLS cells, capable of launching various missiles including HHQ-9 long-range surface-to-air missiles, YJ-18 anti-ship cruise missiles, CJ-10 land attack cruise missiles and anti-submarine missiles. 130 mm main gun, provides versatile firepower against surface and aerial threats. 30 mm close-in weapon system CIWS, offers point defense against incoming missiles and aircraft. Torpedo launchers, equipped with 324 mm torpedo tubes for anti-submarine warfare. The Type 055 can also carry 2 medium-lift helicopters, enhancing its operational versatility. Present capabilities. The Type 055 serves as a critical component of the plan's naval strategy. Its combination of advanced sensors, weapons, and stealth features enables it to perform various roles, including 1. Area air defense. The primary mission of the Type 055 is to provide air defense for naval task groups, particularly in conjunction with aircraft carriers. 2. Anti-submarine warfare. Equipped with advanced sonar systems and torpedoes, the Type 055 is capable of detecting and neutralizing submarines. 3. Expeditionary operations. The vessel's range and speed allow it to conduct long-range missions. Enhancing China's power projection capabilities. Since its commissioning, the Type 055 has participated in various naval exercises and operations, including joint drills with aircraft carrier groups, showcasing its integration into the plan's operational framework. Future developments. Technological advancements. As naval warfare continues to evolve, the Type 055 is expected to incorporate cutting-edge technologies. Future enhancements may include laser weapons. The integration of directed energy weapons could provide a cost-effective solution to counter aerial threats. Electromagnetic railguns. These advanced weapon systems may enable the Type 055 to engage targets at longer ranges with greater velocity. Improved electronic warfare capabilities. Enhancements in electronic warfare systems will likely improve the Type 055's ability to disrupt enemy communications and sensors. Strategic implications. The continued development and deployment of Type 055 destroyers reflect China's intent to establish itself as a dominant maritime power. The U.S. Department of Defense has identified the Type 055 as a potential platform for future midcourse interceptors, indicating its strategic significance in countering ballistic missile threats. Expansion plans. The plan's goal of expanding its fleet to include a total of 16 Type 055 destroyers will further solidify its capabilities against regional and global threats. This expansion is part of China's broader naval modernization efforts, which aim to enhance its strategic deterrence and power projection. Conclusion. The Type 055 destroyer represents a pivotal advancement in the capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy. With its sophisticated design, advanced weaponry, and multi-role capabilities, the Type 055 is set to play a crucial role in shaping the future of naval warfare. As the plan continues to expand and modernize its naval forces, the Type 055 will be at the forefront of China's maritime strategy, ensuring its position as a formidable player on the global stage. The Type 055 destroyer, also known as the Renhai-class cruiser, is a significant development in the naval capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan of China. Its history, design, and projected future represent a remarkable evolution in naval warfare technology and strategy. Historical development. The origins of the Type 055 destroyer can be traced back to the late 1960s, when the plan first showed interest in developing a large destroyer. The development program officially initiated in 1976 but faced numerous technical challenges, leading to its cancellation in 1983. The hurdles included the inability to produce necessary gas turbine power plants domestically and difficulties in sourcing them from abroad at feasible costs. After a long hiatus, the project re-emerged in the early 2010s when China's naval technology had matured significantly. In 2014, a full-scale model of the Type 055 was showcased at a naval electronic testing facility, marking the project's revival. Construction of the first ship, the Nanchang, began in December 2014, and it was commissioned on January 12, 2020. Design features. The Type 055 destroyer is notable for its stealth capabilities, advanced radar systems, and multi-mission design. Key design characteristics include 1. Stealth. The destroyer's hull features an integrated mass design that minimizes radar cross-section. Its structure is optimized to reduce infrared and electromagnetic signatures as well. 2. Propulsion. The power is generated by 4 QC-280 gas turbines in a cog-egg configuration, allowing for a maximum speed of approximately 30 knots and a range of 5,000 nautical miles. 3. Armament. The Type 055 boasts an impressive array of weaponry, including 112 vertical launch system VLS cells capable of launching a variety of missiles such as the HHQ-9 surface-to-air missiles and the YJ-18 anti-ship cruise missiles. It also includes a 130 mm main gun and anti-submarine torpedoes. 4. Sensors and electronics. Equipped with a dual-band radar system Type 346B. The Type 055 has enhanced air and missile defense capabilities. This radar can reportedly detect stealth aircraft and guide anti-satellite missiles, reflecting a significant technological leap compared to previous Chinese naval vessels. Strategic role and future developments. The Type 055 destroyer is designed not only for traditional naval combat but also for blue water operations, allowing it to conduct long-range missions far from Chinese shores. It serves as a primary escort for aircraft carriers, enhancing their operational effectiveness. With the plan's increasing focus on power projection and maritime security, the Type 055's role is expected to expand significantly. Looking ahead, future variants of the Type 055 may incorporate advanced technologies such as laser weapons and electromagnetic railguns. Contingent on the development of integrated electric propulsion systems that can support these high-energy weapons. The United States Department of Defense highlights the Type 055 as a potential platform for China's mid-course ballistic missile interceptors, suggesting its role in future warfare may extend beyond conventional naval engagements. Counterintuitive insights. One is size misconception. Despite being classified as a destroyer, the Type 055 is labeled as a cruiser by NATO standards due to its size and capabilities. This emphasizes a divergence in naval classification systems and highlights the evolving nature of naval warfare where traditional definitions may no longer apply. 2. Historical stagnation to rapid advancement. The project was initially stalled for decades due to technological inadequacies. The rapid development and deployment of the Type 055 in recent years after such a prolonged period of stagnation illustrate a significant leap in China's naval engineering capabilities, showcasing how a nation can quickly catch up in military technology. 3. Multi-role capabilities. The Type 055's design for multitasking area air defense, anti-submarine warfare and surface combat challenges the conventional wisdom that larger ships should specialize in specific roles. Its versatility may redefine how naval fleets are structured and how they engage in multi-dimensional warfare scenarios. In summary, the Type 055 destroyer represents a pivotal advancement in China's naval capabilities, merging historical challenges with modern technological achievements. Its design and operational role reflect a strategic shift in maritime power projection, positioning China as a formidable player in the naval domain. As the plan continues to expand its capabilities, the Type 055 will likely play a central role in shaping future naval engagements. The Type 055 destroyer, also referred to as the Renhai-class cruiser by NATO, represents a significant leap in the capabilities of the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy plan. While many discussions focus on its impressive specifications and strategic implications, there are several key aspects that are often overlooked yet are crucial for understanding its historical context, present capabilities, and future potential. Historical context of development. The development of the Type 055 destroyer has roots tracing back to the late 1960s. The initial interest in large destroyers culminated in a development program in 1976, which ultimately faced cancellation in 1983 due to technological and industrial limitations. This historical perspective is significant as it highlights China's long-standing ambition to enhance its naval capabilities, which has been hampered by technological constraints. The revival of the Type 055 project in the 2010s, culminating in the commissioning of the first vessel Nanchang in 2020, underscores a remarkable turnaround in China's shipbuilding and technological prowess. Technological advancements. One of the most understated but critical elements of the Type 055 is its advanced radar capabilities. The ship features the Type 346B Dragoneye radar, which is a significant upgrade over previous models. It incorporates active electronically scanned array AESA technology, which offers enhanced detection capabilities, particularly against stealth targets. The radar's ability to guide anti-satellite missiles and its anti-stealth capabilities are often not emphasized, yet they are crucial for maintaining a technological edge in modern naval warfare. This capability positions the Type 055 as not just a surface combatant but a versatile platform in multi-domain operations. Multi-mission design. The Type 055's design allows it to perform a variety of missions including air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and land attack. This multi-mission capability is critical given the evolving nature of maritime conflicts, where flexibility and adaptability can determine the outcome of engagements. The ship's role as the primary escort for Chinese aircraft carriers further amplifies its strategic importance. While many discussions highlight its size and firepower, the emphasis on its operational versatility may be overlooked, yet it is essential for understanding how it fits into China's broader naval strategy. Production and strategic implications. As of early 2024, there are 8 Type 055 destroyers in service with additional units under construction. The planned total of 16 vessels indicates a clear intent to build a formidable fleet that can project power and defend China's maritime interests. This production scale is significant as it reflects China's ambition to establish itself as a dominant maritime power in the Asia-Pacific region. The overlooked aspect here is the potential impact of such a fleet on regional security dynamics, as the presence of multiple Type 055 destroyers could alter the balance of power and influence naval engagements in the region. Future developments. Looking towards the future, the potential integration of advanced weaponry such as laser systems and electromagnetic railguns on Type 055 destroyers is a significant aspect that is often under-discussed. The possibility of these technologies being incorporated into the platform indicates China's commitment to remaining at the forefront of naval warfare technology. The emphasis on future capabilities, particularly the expected role of the Type 055 in launching mid-course interceptors for ballistic missiles, further underscores its strategic importance in China's defense architecture. This foresight into future capabilities is a crucial aspect that can reshape discussions on naval power projections. Conclusion. The Type 055 destroyer is not just a symbol of China's naval modernization, it encapsulates a broader narrative of technological advancement, strategic planning, and historical persistence. The historical development, advanced technological features, multi-mission design, and future potential of the Type 055 are all critical elements that should be at the forefront of any analysis. Recognizing these aspects can provide a deeper understanding of the ship's significance in both the historical and contemporary context of naval power dynamics. As China continues to evolve its naval capabilities, the Type 055 will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of maritime security in the region. 1. Multi-role capabilities. The Type 055 destroyer is designed for a multitude of missions including blue water operations, air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and serving as an escort for aircraft carriers. This multitasking ability marks a significant advancement in the capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan, allowing it to project power and maintain maritime security across various operational theaters. 2. Advanced technology. The Type 055 features sophisticated technologies such as the Type 346B radar system, which offers enhanced detection capabilities including anti-stealth measures. Additionally, the destroyer is equipped with a powerful propulsion system and a wide array of armaments including 112 vertical launch system VLS cells capable of firing multiple types of missiles. These technological advancements position the Type 055 as one of the most formidable surface combatants in the world. 3. Historical development and strategic importance. The development of the Type 055 destroyer reflects decades of military modernization efforts by China dating back to interest shown in large destroyers in the late 1960s. The commissioning of the first ship in January 2020 and subsequent additions to the fleet underscore its strategic importance in enhancing China's naval capabilities. With a planned fleet of 16 destroyers, the Type 055 will play a crucial role in the plan's future maritime strategy. For future prospects, looking ahead, the Type 055 destroyer is expected to integrate even more advanced weaponry including potential laser systems and electromagnetic railguns. The United States Department of Defense views the Type 055 as a future platform for mid-course interceptors, highlighting its evolving role in missile defense. This adaptability to incorporate cutting-edge technology suggests that the Type 055 will remain a vital asset in maritime warfare for years to come. Here are three famous historical cases that reflect significant advancements in naval military technology and strategic shifts similar to the development of China's Type 055 destroyer. 1. The Dreadnought battleship HMS Dreadnought 1906. The launch of HMS Dreadnought by the Royal Navy marked a revolutionary change in naval warfare. Prior to its introduction, battleships varied greatly in design and armament. The Dreadnought introduced an all-big-gun armament scheme and turbine propulsion, allowing for greater speed and firepower. Its design rendered all previous battleships obsolete, shifting the balance of naval power. The term Dreadnought became synonymous with a new class of battleships that emphasized firepower and speed, leading to an arms race among naval powers, especially between Britain and Germany. This case illustrates how a single technological advancement can change naval strategy and lead to increased military competition. 2. The Zumwalt-class destroyers USS Zumwalt 2016. The USS Zumwalt represents the latest generation of stealth destroyers developed by the United States Navy. It features advanced technologies such as a stealthy hull design, integrated power systems, and advanced radar capabilities. The Zumwalt was designed for multi-mission capabilities including land attack, anti-aircraft, and anti-surface operations. Its introduction reflects a shift towards multi-domain operations and the integration of advanced technologies in naval warfare. The Zumwalt's design and capabilities echo those of the Type 055 destroyer, as both represent significant advancements in naval surface combatant design aimed at addressing modern threats and operational requirements. 3. The aircraft carrier USS Langley 1922. The commissioning of USS Langley marked the transition of naval warfare from battleships to aircraft carriers as the centerpiece of naval power. As the first aircraft carrier in the U.S. Navy, it demonstrated the potential of naval aviation in modern warfare. This shift had profound implications for naval strategy, leading to the development of carrier strike groups that combined air and surface power. The evolution of the aircraft carrier fundamentally altered the dynamics of naval engagements. Similar to how the Type 055 destroyer is expected to enhance China's naval capabilities and strategic reach, particularly in conjunction with its aircraft carriers. These historical cases illustrate how technological advancements in naval design and strategy can reshape military capabilities and influence global power dynamics, similar to the developments surrounding China's Type 055 destroyer. Future outlook: Type 055 destroyer of the People's Liberation Army Navy. Introduction. The Type 055 destroyer, a significant leap in naval technology for the People's Liberation Army Navy plan, is poised to reshape maritime strategies in the Asia-Pacific region. With its multi-role capabilities, advanced sensors, and missile systems, the Type 055 is not just a symbol of China's naval modernization but also a key player in future maritime conflicts. This outlook will explore the anticipated developments and implications of the Type 055 destroyer through the next decade and beyond. Strategic role and deployment. As the plan continues to expand its blue water capabilities, the Type 055 destroyers are expected to serve as the primary escorts for China's aircraft carriers, enhancing their operational effectiveness. The increasing number of Type 055 ships, planned to reach a total of 16, will allow China to establish a formidable presence in contested waters, particularly in the South China Sea and around Taiwan. These destroyers are likely to participate in joint exercises with other naval forces, showcasing China's growing influence and capabilities on the global stage. Technological advancements. The Type 055 destroyer's future will be marked by significant technological upgrades. The integration of advanced weaponry, including laser systems and electromagnetic railguns, is anticipated. These systems will enhance the destroyer's defensive and offensive capabilities, allowing it to counter emerging threats such as anti-ship missiles and UAVs. Furthermore, improvements to the radar systems, especially with the Type 346B radar, will likely continue enhancing target acquisition and tracking capabilities, particularly against stealthy adversaries. Cyber and electronic warfare. As naval warfare evolves, so too will the importance of cyber capabilities and electronic warfare. The Type 055 destroyer will likely incorporate advanced cyber warfare systems to protect its networks and disrupt enemy communications. Enhanced electronic warfare capabilities will be crucial in countering threats in electronic and cyber domains, providing the plan with a strategic advantage in multi-domain operations. Regional and global implications. The proliferation of Type 055 destroyers will have significant implications for regional security dynamics. As these vessels operate in the Asia-Pacific, they will likely challenge U.S. naval superiority and alter the balance of power in the region. The United States and its allies may respond by increasing their naval presence and conducting freedom of navigation operations to counter China's assertiveness. This could lead to heightened tensions and potential conflicts, necessitating diplomatic efforts to manage maritime disputes peacefully. Environmental considerations. Future developments of the Type 055 may also incorporate environmentally sustainable technologies. As global awareness of environmental issues increases, the plan might explore alternative propulsion systems such as hybrid or fully electric engines to reduce emissions and enhance operational stealth. This would align with broader global trends towards sustainability in military operations. Conclusion. The Type 055 destroyers represent a pivotal element of China's naval strategy and its aspirations for a dominant maritime presence. In the coming years, advancements in technology, strategic deployment, and the evolving geopolitical landscape will shape the role of these destroyers. As China enhances its naval capabilities, the implications for regional and global security will be profound, necessitating a re-evaluation of naval strategies by other powers in the Asia-Pacific and beyond. The Type 055 will not only be a vessel of war but also a catalyst for change in maritime security dynamics in the 21st century.